the bucket for some food.
Come on, Taylor.
The biggest.
Oh, sorry. Thank you, Taylor here.
Oh yeah, there's nothing there.
I'll tell you a bit about them when I'm not yelling right now.
Oh, you can look for food again, huh?
Now, bucket's just here. Alright, so in this enclosure, now that we've got everyone inside with no escapees, these are our Kangaroo Island kangaroos. The Kangaroo, however you'd like to say it. These are a subspecies of the western grey kangaroo that you'll find on the mainland. But you'll notice immediately it's really beautiful dark colour all across the back and then right across the belly. You see the pretty to look at? These ones have that really beautiful dark colour because during our winter it does get very cold. The darker colour gives them some extra absorption from the sun as they're laying down in the grasses, helps them hold that heat a bit better. And really thick fur, you'll notice if you pet them, to keep them insulated from the weather. It works really, really well for them. Now these ones in here started out just like those little babies. They started out as orphans. The way we usually get our kangaroos come into us is from things like car accident. But it can be other things too. We do have 2 girls in here from dog attack as well. So it can happen either way. Mostly we have females in here, except for 2 young males. The reason we don't have big, proper, mature males in this enclosure is because when they're fully grown and standing up, they're about my height. They can be a bit bigger sometimes, get a lot more muscular than me. That can be a really intimidating animal, especially for little kids. We have lots of little kids that come through this enclosure. So it's for people's comfort and safety. We do have them here, they're just not in this paddock here, just the girls that really enjoy that sort of interaction and those 2 young males. You want to know which one is our male? There's one just next to me over here. You can see he's a bit bulkier than the females, but he's also got a larger chest, bigger shoulders and bigger arms and biceps, as well as much larger hands, you'll notice too. Love it. It's their favourite time of day usually. Now, if you're after a second handful of food, please feel free to come up. They will not mind at all. We're going to spend a little while in this enclosure, so please feel free to walk around as well, get up nice and close. If you do have any particular questions as well that you'd like me to answer, or anything you have in private too, please feel free to come up and ask us or anything. So some of the farmers here don't like them. They do them pets. But anyone who heard the rules earlier, please feel free to come on in. Anyone who didn't hear the rules and missed out, please come to me before you make your way to the inside. Come on in. Fire season. I don't know how familiar everyone is with those bushfires, but unfortunately they were very extreme here on KI, and we did lose most of our koala population during it. So we used to have a population of 80,000 koalas just here on Kangaroo Island. However, the fires, when they were burning, burnt for 4 months. They were completely uncontrolled.